Hello, 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 hello. So, hello everyone. This is my first time streaming, so I have no idea how it actually works or whether I'm audible too. So, hopefully, I'm audible. So, you guys, I'm reading your comments now. Okay, there's someone said you're audible, brother. Okay, if you guys need to analyze any coins, I'm just trying to understand how to live stream over here. So, if you have any if you need any analysis of a coin, just post it on the comments. I'll just look into it, and if it's proper, if it's audible, just let me know. So whereas as Bitcoin doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all. Even weekend is approaching. It looks like we're heading towards 40, and we lose 40, then we're heading towards a strong bear market over here. So the signs aren't good right now. But okay, so you have Matic. Let me look at Matic 1 second. If you look at Matic USDT. Matic was actually good. I had checked Matic few days back. So I hope it's visible to you. If you look at Matic chart, okay, we had a resistance line over here which had run before, and this is the daily chart over here. So if you look over here, we have been closed. The daily closing is below the resistance. We have tested it 2 times. We had one retrace, and currently it's around $2. So for Matic to make a new all-time high, we have a all-time high near, which it's near 2.692. So the bull run, if you see, if you look at the bull run hasn't yet given up. We haven't given up that the bull run is over yet. We are still near $48,000. So there are still hopes that we continue the bull run. So Matic looks actually quite excellent compared to other ALTs in the market. Matic is quite excellent over here, and if there is a bounce, we can see Matic do pull a move like Sol. Had we had seen earlier moves in Solana and other ALTs, we'll see Matic do something like that. We'll see a rally in Matic, like it breaks all-time high, then it just keeps on breaking its new all-time high. Because we are seeing a lot of ALTs in the market currently bleeding, but Matic, if you see another place, it's going quite good. It's 2 point. It's good actually. And for new entries, obviously, I wouldn't recommend to take Matic for a new entry because there are a lot of ALTs which you are getting a quite discount, 50% to 60% discounts. Now, something which I want to let you guys know for this video. Okay, look at Uni. Let me talk about Bitcoin at first because I guess I had made this video for BTC. So I'll show you something about BTC. Let's speak about BTC over here first. If you look at Bitcoin, it's currently at a no trade zone. I'm saying it as no trade zone because it's ranging at this zone. We aren't even able to hold above $50,000 over here. So what is bad in the sense we can see a retrace up to 40,000 again. And if you're looking in terms of bull market point of view, if it's currently like it's in the middle. So if you're looking in terms of a bull, it looks like we are having a good discount in terms of ALTs. But if you're looking in terms of bear over here, every coin in the market is overvalued from a point of 50 to 60% yet. Current coins, if you're looking from a bear market point of view, from the current price, every coin will bleed another 50 to 60%. And do we need this flush? And you will see this 50 to 60% bleed at $40,000 itself. Bitcoin doesn't need to go up to $30,000 to flush your ALTs again. No, we just need another retrace up to $40,000. Another retrace of $40,000, we get another 50% dip of the current AL, like your present ALTs from the current price. So we are currently in a no trade zone. We need some strong news, either We need something new adoption or country adoption. We need something strong to push it over, because anyway December it's not that quite strong month, and when Christmas is coming, New Year, so there is a lot of profit taking going to take place over here. So there isn't any good sign, and there's Evergrande, then Omnicron, the new one. So based on that, the market doesn't look good. But if you look, it's starting to range. If it starts ranging, it's good for ELTs, especially Ethereum. And like I said, even Matic looks good over here. So let's look into Uni. This is just a test YouTube live stream, so I'm not sure whether you guys can hear me properly or my audible. So I'm just testing it right now. So I'll just give you a brief analysis over here. To okay, Matic. Okay, Uni. When you look at the Uni chart over here, it's clearly visible. It's oversold. It's now see. Look at this chart. This is a clear chart. When I say that we are in the middle, like in the same no trade zone, because the chart from here can go either. Uni, in the terms of market point of view, it's quite cheap. We're having discount of nearly 50%. We can pick it up over here. But in the terms of bear market point of view, we can dip another 50%, and we can go up to $7 to $8 easily. So this is what I'm trying to say you. We are in a middle no trade zone. There's a strong support over here. Bitcoin test 38 to 40,000. We will see Uni go up to $7 to $8, a 50% bottom. If you're looking in terms of bull market point of view, this is a 50% discount. It will go up to $30. So how do we plan this trade? You either pick any ALT from this point at 43,000, any ALT in the market, any ALT in the sense some good. Don't go for SHIB, no, not meme coins. I'm talking about project coins, either mid or large caps. Don't go for low cap coins because they're high risk, high rewards. Go for mid or low caps, coins within 200 market cap. Go for such coins, 250 market cap. So uh, if you look over here, either you can go into into what you say ALTs, pick ALTs once Bitcoin closes above $53,000. So for Bitcoin to close above $53,000, it needs its dominance to increase. BTC.D, it will increase. Let us look at BTC.D over here. BTC.D chart. So dominance chart of Bitcoin, it's lowering. Just give it a second. So if you look, it's just 41%. So now for Bitcoin to take its place again at $53,000, the dominance of Bitcoin is going to increase. See, we had a top, like I had shown the last chart, we are going to see a decline in dominance. It's the same thing. Now we're testing this resistance over here. So now for Bitcoin to go up from here, it needs a rally. Bitcoin's dominance should rally nearly 45 to 46. So when dominance increases, your ALTs doesn't pump. The high caps, BNB, Ethereum, they follow 2 or 3% with Bitcoin. But the ALTs, mid and low cap ALTs, they doesn't follow Bitcoin. They actually tend to go minus 2% below the current price. So there's no point FOMOing right now at the current price. It's not that ALTs, you're going to miss the discount. So picking up an ALT at $53,000 when Bitcoin is at $53,000, that would be a good point. Or picking up an ALT when Bitcoin goes to $40,000, that's a good point. And one more thing which I wanted to share you is that the market is maturing in the sense the volatility is not high. Although we see a dump of 10,000 or $15,000, but when you look at the page, it's not that high like we had seen in the previous runs, like a flash dump of nearly 70%. It's not like that. The market is maturing. It's getting adopted. People, it's being like a stock. Like Bitcoin is adopting. There isn't volatility. There are holders. It's getting away from manipulations. Like in the past runs, there was clear manipulations. 2 or 3 whales they planned, then it was easily manipulated. Like it was a manipulated market. We had seen in 2020, when the starting of 2020, we had it was again the same manipulation thing was going on. But now Bitcoin isn't being manipulated. Can't be manipulated up to an extent. It's being matured in the sense there are a lot of institutional buying which aren't selling it away, because in a long span, maybe 5 to 10 years, 2025, this ALTs, I mean, this Bitcoin is going to be on 100, $150,000 easily. So it's common. Like people already know it, and investors know about it. So where manipulations aren't taking place much. So even if we see a flash dump, maybe we might see, if I'm looking Bitcoin in terms of bear market point of view, it can go up to $15,000. It's, I'm not lying. It's possible up to 15 to 18 if I'm looking from bear market, and ALTs will go zero. And do I want it? Do I want Bitcoin to go to 15 to $18,000? Yes, I want Bitcoin to go to $15,000. Not because I want to pick it or something. It's because there are a lot of ALTs in the market which are scam. Like a lot of ALTs which, although they show off, like I mean, they showcase the project is so strong project, API 100%, but they don't survive the bear market. So I want Bitcoin to go 15 to $1,000. When it goes over there, it's a bear market. So in a bear market, there isn't any transactions taking place, a lot of transactions. So when there isn't a lot of transactions taking place, the fees generated is low. So maybe you have your swaps and everything. There are a lot of swaps now. There's baby swap, banana swap. So these swaps can't generate fees. When these swaps can't generate fees, they don't sustain. The team doesn't sustain. So these projects aren't scam actually, to be honest. These projects, they don't survive the bear market. And even if you see miners, there are a lot of miners who are paying 3x the fees for your GPUs. So even they are going to get wrecked because currently they are being paid by the fees, especially Ethereum. So Ethereum 2.0 is coming out, and then Ethereum mining is going to be closed maybe in 6 months. So these people are going to be wrecked. So the plan of bear market, I'll be making another video in which I'll be explaining you what can we do in the bear market. So this was just a test run. So I will, if it's good, I'll just ask some reviews from you guys. If it's good, I will actually post the links in the channels, and then we can have a proper live session and discuss on Bitcoin. Then what we'll do in a bear market, if you're going to bear market, how do we get GPUs free, how do we start mining Bitcoin, and which all coins will be good for mining. So I'm going to talk about that. And please don't fall into low cap ALTs at that point. Any ALT which gives you 100% APR, just get out of it. They are going to die. Clear case, I'm saying you straightforward. Any ALTs which is giving you 100% APR, they won't survive the bear market. So, and even a swap exchanges, there isn't enough transactions on Binance itself. So I don't think any swap exchanges will sustain the bear market or any terminals. So make sure you get your investment out of those and get into some strong projects if you're interested, like Dot or Solana. So these projects are really strong. So we'll talk about this in the next video or the next live stream, which will be a planned one, and we'll discuss point wise on that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.